Thou shalt not make unto thee any graven image or any likeness of any things. This is in heaven above, or this is in the earth beneath, or this is in the water under the earth. Thou shalt not bow down thyself to them, nor serve them. For I, the Lord thy God, am a jealous God, visiting iniquity of the fathers upon the children unto the third and fourth generation of them that hate me. Thou shalt not take the name of the Lord thy God in vain. Remember, thou shalt not take the name of the Lord thy God in vain. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. 6 days shalt thou labor and do all thy works, but the 7th day is the Sabbath of the Lord thy God. In it thou shalt not do any work. Thou, now thy son, now thy daughter, thy manservant, now thy maid servant, now thy cattle, now thy stranger that is within thy gates. For in 6 days the Lord made heavens and earth, the sea, and all that in them is, and rested the 7th day. Wherefore the Lord blesses the Sabbath day and hallow it. Honor thy father and thy mother, that thy day may be long upon the land which the Lord thy God giveth thee. Thou shalt not kill, thou shalt not commit adultery, thou shalt not steal, thou shalt not bear false witness against thy neighbor's house, thy neighbor's. Thou shalt not covet against thy neighbor's house, thou shalt not covet thy neighbor's against thy neighbor's wife, nor his manservant, nor his maidservant, nor his ox, nor his ass, nor anything that is thy neighbor's. Exodus chapter 20, verse 3 to 17. And I saw another angel fly in the midst of heaven, having the everlasting gospel to preach unto them that dwell on the earth, and to every nation, and kindred, and tongue, and people, saying with a loud voice, Fear God, and give glory to him. For the hour of his judgment is come, and worship him that made heaven, and earth, and the sea, and the fountains of water. And there followed another angel, saying, Babylon is fallen, that great city, because she made all nations drink of the wind of the wrath of her fornication. And the third angel followed them, saying with a loud voice, If any man worship the beast and his image, and receive his mark in his forehead or in his hands, the same shall drink of the wind of the wrath of her, which is power, which shall mature into the cup of his indignation. And he shall be tormented with fire and strong in the presence of the holy angels and in the presence of the Lamb. And the smoke of their torment ascended up forever and ever, and they have no rest day no night, who worship the beast and his image, and whosoever receiveth the mark of his name. Here is the patience of the saints, here are they that keep the commandments of God and the faith of Jesus. Revelation chapter 14, verse 6 to 12. Thiệu na liên som na khát anh heo qua khang nô teo na khang nô lại vòng sao na khang nô lại lung damun nei nộp teo hiun na nô bang bang gam taun ahi zongin na gam tan na to zuin tu hong ki khen di ahi nan thong ge ge un na khang nô te ki lung dim sak ke un la na kum tiu gen the sak ke un bang hang hiam chi la na khang nô hun sao ge lo ding hi alian som ni aneu khat mìnhในลุงข้ามผมน้องต้นมาmìnhตัดมาหน่วงสกิงจีมานักขังโนลายอินนักห้องเปียงสักบาทพอกินก็เป็นไงนี่